If you want to pause your video at the perfect moment and hold that frame on screen, this is exactly what you need to know. In this video, I'll show you how to create a freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step. Let's get right into it. Start by opening your project and going to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll be doing all your timeline work. Next, find the exact moment where you want the video to freeze. This part matters, so take your time and scrub through your clip carefully. You want to stop on a clean frame, especially if someone is moving or talking. Once you've found the right spot, place your playhead directly on that frame. Now, click on your clip in the timeline to make sure it's selected. Then right-click on the clip and choose Change Clip Speed. In the window that pops up, look for the option that says Freeze Frame. Go ahead and check that box, then click Change. Your clip will now freeze at that exact frame. At this point, you'll notice the frozen frame continues for the rest of the clip. If you only want the freeze for a short time, here's what you do. Move your playhead to where you want the freeze to end, then press Ctrl+B to blade the clip. This cuts it into two parts. Now you can click on the frozen section and drag it shorter or longer, depending on how long you want that freeze frame to stay on screen. That's the basic method, but here's a small tip that can save you time. If you only want to freeze a specific moment without affecting the rest of the clip, first make a cut at the frame you want to freeze, then cut again a few frames later. Apply the freeze frame only to that small section. This gives you way more control. Also, if your freeze frame looks a bit abrupt, you can add a small zoom or subtle movement using keyframes to make it feel more dynamic instead of completely static. And that's it. That's how you freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve 20. If this helped you out, hit subscribe for more simple editing tutorials just like this.